Journey with us as we dive into the wonders of Bhutan, a hidden gem nestled in the eastern Himalayas. This unique kingdom, untouched by the hands of time, is a realm where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life. Bhutan, often referred to as the land of the thunder dragon, sits quietly between China and India, offering a serene escape from the bustling world outside. It's a place where gross national happiness is valued more than gross domestic product, reflecting the country's commitment to holistic well-being. Its verdant landscapes, majestic fortresses, and vibrant festivals make Bhutan a must-visit for travelers seeking unique experiences. From the breathtaking views of the Himalayas to the spiritual tranquility of its monasteries, every corner of Bhutan promises an enchanting journey. Every path leads to a new discovery, every vista a feast for the eyes. So, buckle up as we explore the best scenic spots in Bhutan. First on our list is the majestic Punakha Dzong, a fortress that gives a peek into Bhutan's rich cultural history. Nestled between the confluence of two rivers, the Mo Chu and Po Chu, Punakha Dzong stands as a testament to the intricate architectural prowess of the Bhutanese people. Imagine a structure of grandeur, its whitewashed walls contrasting against the emerald green landscape, and the vibrant red and gold details of its roofs telling tales of a time gone by. This is Punakha Dzong, an architectural marvel that harmoniously combines form and function, beauty and strength. Built in the 17th century, it is the second oldest and second largest dzong in Bhutan. As you approach the dzong, you cross an enchanting wooden bridge that spans the width of the Mo Chu River. This is an experience in itself, as the river's gentle hum accompanies you, setting the tone for the tranquil beauty that awaits. Inside the dzong, the ornamented assembly halls, or shokungs, are a sight to behold. They are adorned with intricate murals and statues, each telling its own story from Bhutanese mythology and history. The Grand Kunre, the dzong's main assembly hall, is the epitome of artistic splendor, filled with murals depicting the life of Buddha. But Punakha Dzong is not just about the man-made aesthetics. It is its location that adds an extra layer of charm to it. The dzong's strategic position at the junction of two rivers is more than just a military advantage. It offers breathtaking views of the rivers, their sparkling waters reflecting the dzong's imposing silhouette. In spring, the nearby jacaranda trees bloom, painting the landscape in hues of purple and making the dzong look like a painting come alive. Punakha Dzong is a place where history meets scenic beauty, a place where the whispers of the past blend seamlessly with the serene hum of nature. A place that's not just a destination, but an experience, a journey into Bhutan's rich cultural heritage. And that's what makes Punakha Dzong so special, so enchanting, and so deserving of being first on our list. Punakha Dzong, a place where history meets scenic beauty. Next, we ascend to the Tiger's Nest Monastery, a sacred site perched high on a cliff. This legendary monastery, known as Phobjikha, is more than just a place of worship. It's an adventure in itself. Nestled on a precarious cliff 3,000 feet above the Phobjikha Valley, reaching this monastery is a feat that will leave you with a sense of accomplishment and awe. Start your journey at the base, where a pine forest whispers tales of ancient times. As you hike up the well-trodden path, the air grows cooler and the forest gives way to a landscape dotted with prayer flags fluttering in the wind. The journey is challenging, but the promise of what lies ahead keeps you moving. Tiger's Nest Monastery is not just a destination, but a spiritual journey. Legend has it that Guru Rinpoche, the second Buddha, flew to this cliff on the back of a tigress to meditate. This story of devotion and spiritual transformation permeates every inch of the monastery. As you finally reach the monastery, the sight that greets you is nothing short of magical. The white walls of the monastery, adorned with traditional Bhutanese architecture, contrast sharply against the rugged cliff and the emerald green valley below. Inside the monastery, the aura of tranquility and spirituality is palpable. The murmur of monks in prayer, the scent of incense, and the intricate murals depicting Buddhist lore create an atmosphere of peace and reverence. It's a place where the material world seems to fade into insignificance, and all that matters is the here and now. But the Tiger's Nest is not just about spirituality. Step outside onto the viewing platform, and you're greeted with a breathtaking vista of the Phobjikha Valley. The view is a vibrant tapestry of lush green fields, meandering rivers, and distant mountains, under the vast expanse of the azure sky. It's a sight that captures the essence of Bhutan in all its glory. Tiger's Nest Monastery, a spiritual sanctuary offering a panoramic view of the Paro Valley. This majestic monastery, perched on the edge of the world, is a testament to Bhutan's rich cultural heritage and indomitable spirit. It's an experience that stays with you long after you've descended the mountain. We now set foot in the Phobjikha Valley, a haven for nature lovers. As we traverse the heart of Bhutan, we encounter a place that stands as a sanctuary, a refuge, a paradise. The Phobjikha Valley, a bowl-shaped glen of emerald greenery, is a spectacle of nature's grandeur that leaves one breathless. This valley is a tapestry of verdant fields and towering trees, woven together by the delicate threads of winding streams. It's as if Mother Nature herself took a brush in hand and painted a masterpiece of tranquility and beauty. The rolling hills stretch out into the distance, a sea of green as far as the eye can see, punctuated by the occasional farmhouse or temple, adding a touch of rustic charm to the picturesque landscape. But Phobjikha is not just a feast for the eyes, it's a sanctuary for the heart. The valley hums with the soft whispers of the wind, the rustling of leaves, and the gentle babbling of brooks. The air, fresh and crisp, fills your lungs with a sense of serenity. The world seems to slow down here, allowing you to soak in the peace, calm, and quiet that the valley offers. Yet the valley is not just a silent observer. It plays an active role in the grand drama of nature. Each winter it becomes the stage for a spectacular performance as the black-necked cranes descend from the cold heights of the Tibetan Plateau to make this their temporary home. These elegant birds, revered in Bhutanese culture, add a touch of magic to the valley, their graceful dances and haunting calls echoing through the still air. Phobjikha Valley is more than just a place. It's a testament to Bhutan's commitment to nature conservation. The valley's pristine condition is a result of careful stewardship, a dedication to preserving the land for future generations. It's a shining example of how humans and nature can coexist in harmony, each enriching the other. Phobjikha Valley, a true testament to Bhutan's commitment to nature conservation. As we leave this haven, we carry with us a piece of its peace, a sense of its serenity, and a reminder of the beauty that exists when we let nature thrive. Lastly, we visit Thimphu, the vibrant capital city of Bhutan. Nestled in the heart of the Himalayas, Thimphu is a city that dances to the rhythm of its own drum, where the echoes of tradition intertwine with the hum of modernity. It's a place where the past and the present coexist, offering visitors a unique cultural experience that is hard to find anywhere else in the world. When wandering through the city, you'll find yourself immersed in a sea of bustling markets. The aroma of local delicacies wafting in the air, the vibrant colors of hand-woven textiles, and the cheerful banter of vendors create a sensory symphony that showcases the city's lively spirit. Each market stall tells a story, each product a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage. A visit to the city is incomplete without a stop at the majestic Buddha Dordanma. Towering over the city, this gigantic statue of Buddha is not just a sight to behold but also a symbol of peace and harmony. As you ascend the hill towards the statue, the city's panorama unfolds before your eyes, offering stunning views that are nothing short of breathtaking. The sight of the cityscape, framed by the lush green mountains and the clear blue sky, is a spectacle that has the power to leave you spellbound. Thimphu doesn't just offer picturesque views, it also serves up a slice of Bhutanese life. It's a city that thrives on its cultural richness, a city that respects its past while embracing the future. From the architecture that blends traditional Bhutanese designs with modern elements, to the people who wear their national dress with pride, Thimphu is a city that celebrates its roots. So, if you're looking for a place that offers a unique blend of cultural richness and scenic beauty, then Thimphu is the place to be. It's a city that does more than just exist. It thrives, it sings, and most importantly, it welcomes you with open arms. Thimphu, a city that perfectly balances tradition and modernity. And that concludes our scenic journey through Bhutan. What a voyage it's been, from the majestic Punakha Dzong, a symbol of unity and harmony, to the awe-inspiring Tiger's Nest Monastery, perched precariously on a cliff. We've wandered through the serene Phobjikha Valley, home to the rare black-necked cranes, and explored the vibrant cityscape of Thimphu, a city that seamlessly blends tradition and modernity. Truly, Bhutan is a testament to the power of natural beauty and cultural richness. This hidden gem, nestled in the heart of the Himalayas, beckons us with its unique charm and tranquil appeal. Curious to know where we're off to next? Leave a comment about which area of the world you'd like us to explore. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your support helps our channel to grow. Until next time, keep exploring.